Okay, guys. So we have to start the class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Our team is also ready.
Oh, thank you. But your camera is off.
So I'm going to off this wait for 5 minutes.
Okay, okay. So, guys, there are the two teams for the flip class. So I'm very happy for that. And fortunately, I got a one mail from the team one. Uh, that's superstar team is there. So and another one. Muskan, do you know my email ID, beta? Muskan, do you know my email ID, beta?
Yes, sir. I sent it you.
Okay, okay. Let me check. So we will start.
From Sani Tajinder 08.
Okay, okay, okay. Let me check. So we'll start the class in just 2 minutes. I got one from the Tajinder Sani. Who is that? So, beta, I'm talking about this. The CD, the PDF is sent by PPT sent by the Tajinder Sani. Okay, who is that? Just raise your hand. Okay, Muskan. So, do you send me? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Muskan. So it has 7 slides. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So you have to explain how many team members are there in your team.
So we are officially we are five, but one of the member is not present in the meeting. So we are four. Me, Mandeep Kaur, Jasmine, and
Mandeep, raise
Vishali.
your hand, beta. Mandeep, raise your hand. Who's the Mandeep? Yeah, and another one, Jasmine, and who else? Okay, okay, okay.
Vishali.
These four are there. So what you have to do first? First of all, you have to give your introduction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You are the Muskan and you're the 11th. You have the four members, and this topic you are going to explain. Okay. So another thing is that what you will do after that, slide number one you will explain, slide number two Jasmine, three another one, fourth another one, is like that we will do. And you have to give more example for that. Okay, so you have to complete this slide into 15 minutes. You have the limited time of 15 minutes. You cannot explain more than 15 minutes. Okay, beta? So first of all, everyone has to give your introduction, because we will do very professionally this class. Okay, because you made the Muskan slide very nicely. I read it. So that's an amazing bit. Your picturization is very amazing. So we will do with that. Okay, so you will have the 15 minutes. I will not allow you to have more than the 15 minutes. Okay, guys.
Yes.
Okay, I am going to share your slide. Okay, beta, give me a minute. Is this clear to everyone, beta? Muskan?
Yes, sir, not yet.
Not yet. Now it's good. Muskan?
No, sir, it's blank white.
Now good. Now it's good, beta. Muskan, it's now good, beta.
Sir, I can't see anything, just white.
What happened? Let me check. Give me a minute. Now, beta Muskan, it's good. Now you can see that.
No, sir.
Okay, what happened? See, yes, beta Ashleen. You can see that.
So I have one suggestion. If you want, I will give you.
Pardon, what you said?
Sir, I have one suggestion for Muskan, that she will open the split screen in her own phone or laptop, whatever she is using. So by opening the split screen on her phone or laptop, she can explain the presentation.
Muskan, can you do that, beta? Muskan, you can do that, beta?
Yes, sir, I can share my screen.
Okay, just go and share your screen. But be careful, huh?
Sir, you have to like make me host first, so that can be possible.
Yeah, I'm going for that. I'm doing. Okay, beta Muskan.
Yes, sir. So is this visible right now?
Yeah, it's visible, beta.
So our topic for the today is the features of business. So everything that surrounds us in is a chain of business, from a laptop to the chair we sit.
Muskan, wait. First of all, give your introduction, your team introduction, then start it, beta.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
Hello everyone, this is me Muskan Seni, and my teammates are going to represent these slides for the today. The topic is the features of business. So I have with my friends Mandeep, Vishali. So here we go. So the first is everything that surrounds us is a chain of business, from a laptop to the chair we sit. With every change in technology, from being demand also change, giving business person to grow their business, to start a new venture. Let's study in the detail about the business and its characteristics. Following are the characteristics or the features of the business. So number one is an economic activity. So a business is an economic activity which includes the purchase and the sales of good or retendering of service to earn money. It is not concerned with the achievement of social and emotional objectives. Example, wholesaler sells goods to the retailers and the retailer sells good to the customer. This example says when a petrol pump companies send the petrol pump to their do their setups, and then the petrol pump's owner takes the petrol from there and put in their petrol pump, and then we like our people who just buy from their petrols are the people who get the petrol from there. And next, my friend is going to tell you about the manufacturing or procurement of services and goods. Here they go.
Beta, 1 minute. Those cameras is turned off. I'm going to remove. This is the last morning. In this presentation, if anybody's camera will be turned off, I will remove him. Okay? Yes, please, Beta, go ahead.
So there's the next person who is going to speak.
Yeah, give the introduction, Beta, Jasmine. मुस्कान, do me make me the host. I'll do that. Okay, बेटा मैं try करता हूँ. मुस्कान, मुस्कान.
Done.
Okay, बेटा, I'll do that. Now you can see, guys. Sukhjat, can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So we'll go for the next slide, beta. Yes, who will it, beta? Yes, Jasmine, can you? This is your turn.
No, sir.
Whose turn?
Sir, Vishali.
Vaishali. Okay, okay, okay. You can see you on the screen now, beta. Yes, Vaishali, go ahead, beta.
Yes, sir. My name is Vaishali.
Yeah.
I'm here to introduce that production or procurement of goods and services. It means that before offering any good or services to the consumer, there is firstly there must be production of that goods, and that good firstly is produced from raw material to a finished good, and that finished good is sold to wholesale buyers and then to retailers, and that retailers sold that goods to consumers. That any service or good which we get from any of the shopkeeper or retailers, that for that we have to pay some money, and this is a part of our business, and business is a part of an economy, and this helps in building up our Indian economy. For example, if we are getting any product, for example, if we are buying sugar on as for our daily use, sugar is made from sugarcane, and that is a raw material which is grown in the farms, and then it is processed in the manufacturing industry. Then that sugar goes to wholesalers, then to retailers, and then we consume it. And for that, we have to give some some money for that. Okay, thank you. That's it, sir.
Thank you, thank you. God bless you. Very impressive, my superstar. Very impressive. You and Muskan are mind blowing, my dear. तुम्हें तो बड़ों के टीचर ही बनना चाहिए. बहुत तगड़ा presentation. You did very well. Or otherwise you'll do the MBA. Very good. I'm impressed, my beta. I'm impressed. Well done, मेरे बच्चों. Yeah, whose turn is this? मेरे नेता लोग, मेरे लीडर भी इतनी अच्छी स्पीच नहीं देते जितना अच्छा तुमने आज करा है. वेल डन मेरे नेता लोग. अब बताओ अगला टर्न किसका है? जैस्मिन. ओके ओके जैस्मिन, आई हैव अनम्यूटेड यू. जैस्मिन बेटा अब
My name is Jasmine Kaur.
या कौन सी स्लाइड पढ़नी बेटा?
Exchange of goods, sales and goods.
Exchange or sale of goods and services for the satisfaction of human needs. This one na beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, carry on. I'll carry on beta.
My name is Jasmine Kaur. I have introduced the sale or exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of human needs. Firstly, business involves exchange of goods and services for money.
Yes.
It cannot be termed as a business activity. If goods and produced for self-consumption and it's for sale. For example, if the owner of the stationery shop purchase a pen for a personal use, it's not a business activity. But if the sell pen to a customer, it is a business activity. Sale or exchange of goods and services term as a seller to and the buyer is an essential feature of business. Next example is cooking food at home for the family is not a business, but cooking food for selling to the other in the restaurant, it is a business.
Okay, thank you. So who's the next? Raise your hand. Okay, okay, Vaishali, I'm unmuted yourself. Unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, sir. Here I'm going to tell about dealing in goods and services on a regular basis.
Yes.
For example, if we are selling any a car, only a single transaction we are doing in business, not on regular basis we are buying or selling cars or any product. Is same with the services. If we provide someone any service or for only for a single time, that's not called business. But if we are professional in providing services and we provide that on a regular basis, that's called business. Not a single transaction is termed as business.
Well done, Betty. Hands off.
Thank you, sir.
सबको थैंक यू। आप देख रहे हो कितना तगड़ा प्रेजेंटेशन है। नेक्स्ट टाइम देखते हैं इससे बढ़िया कौन करता है। हु इज द नेक्स्ट? प्रॉफिट अर्निंग, माय फेवरेट। ये कौन पढ़ाएगा मुझको? हु विल गिव द प्रेजेंटेशन ऑन दैट? रेज योर हैंड बेटा। वैशाली किसका टर्न है बेटा? या साहिल प्रीता किसका टर्न है?
Sir, maybe Mandeep Kaur.
मनदीप बेटा, आर यू देयर? चेक करो है इधर मनदीप। मनदीप रेज योर हैंड बेटा। या आई एम सॉरी बेटा।
Yes, sir. Yes, she is there, sir.
शी इज देयर। अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटा मनदीप।
Yes, sir.
हेलो बेटा।
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mandeep.
ओके ओके।
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mandeep. Kaur. My fifth topic is profit earning. No business can last for long without making a profit. The purpose to conduct the business is to earn profits and minimize the cost. Example, a business house tries to reduce the cost of production and the cost of raw material to earn high profits.
Mandeep, I think your topic is finished, huh? So who's Mandeep? Unmute yourself. Who's the next one? Okay, Muskan. I'll come to you. Okay, Muskan.
Yes, my topic is uncertainty of return. So the possibility of earning profit or loss is very uncertain and can't be anticipated by the entrepreneur. Hence, no business can totally do away with risk. In the financial glossary, the meaning of the risk is not much different. It implies that the uncertainty regarding the expected returns or on the investment made. Example, the probability of the actual return may not be equal to the expected return, such as the risk, which may include the probability of losing the a part of the whole investment. This means अगर हम किसी चीज में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो हमने पूरा अपना पैसा लगा लिया, अगर जो हमने पूरा पैसा लगा लिया लेकिन हमें उसमें लॉस आ जाए तो दैट इज द अनसर्टेनिटी ऑफ द रिटर्न। हमें नहीं पता, यहाँ पे रिस्क बहुत है। अगर पैसा लगा लिया, पैसा पूरा नहीं हुआ तो हम लॉस में आ जाएंगे। तो ऐसे हमारा लॉस होएगा और दूसरे लाइक लॉस दोनों का होएगा, क्योंकि वो भी इतना पैसा नहीं कमा सका, हम भी इतना पैसा नहीं कमा सके। तो दिस इज द अनसर्टेनिटी ऑफ रिटर्न।
Well attempted. I'm proud of you. Who is the next one? Okay, Vaishali, I'll come to you. Just I'll change the slide. I'll come to you. Okay. रिस्क से होना चाहिए इश्क। Risks. Yeah.
Yes, sir. My topic is element of risk.
Very.
If a person does a business as a businessman, every business have risks. Example, if any natural calamity occurs or any man-made calamity can also be there. Risks are related with factors like changes in customer taste and fashion. This means that if we are producing any kind of product and that is not in fashion nowadays, the thinking of the person or the buyer's thinking is changed, then we can face loss because our products will not be sold. Then how we can earn money or make a living well? No business can be without risk. If one is investing money in their business or any other person invest in others company or business, then we have to pay back that money, as uncertainty of return is related to that. If how much we are means investing, we are not giving that back or we are not earning profit, so that can make our business collapse and we will not be able to do any business. Thank you, sir. That's all from our team.
It's amazing. It's amazing. I'm proud of you. Do one thing. Remember my one point. I'll give you 5 marks for that in the practical. Okay? जब भी बेटा प्रैक्टिकल हो आपका, आप मुझे याद दिलाइएगा सर हमने फ्लिप क्लास करी थी पहली और आपने हमसे प्रॉमिस किया था 5 मार्क्स का. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
ये तो 5
Okay,
मार्क्स
sir.
ये तो एकेडमिक्स में है. और जब भी क्लास खुले बेटा, जब भी क्लास लगे, स्कूल लगे, मुझे याद दिलाइएगा. आई विल ब्रिंग अ चॉकलेट फॉर यू.
Okay, sir.
और अब देखिए बेटा, आप तो मार्केट खुलने दिए. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, हम लोग फ्लिप क्लास करेंगे और जो सबसे अच्छी फ्लिप क्लास करेगा उसको मेरी तरफ से मेडल या ट्रॉफी दी जाएगी.
Okay, sir.
We will train you like anything, beta. Don't worry about that. Okay. So
Thank you, sir.
another one is it's very amazing. Muskan, thank you, Muskan, thank you. Another one is Mandeep, Vaishali, and I forgot one name. Another one, who's the another one?
Jasmine, sir.
Jasmine. So guys, you are amazing. I'll give you the marks for that. 5 marks for each and every one. Plus I'll bring a chocolate for you. Yes, Kamran beta.
The next presentation we shall start.
We should start, but I don't got the presentation beta. Did you mailed me
So yesterday I sent you.
yesterday
Sir, on WhatsApp.
on the WhatsApp?
So yes. So you told that we will discuss tomorrow.
Okay, just see, send hi on that. Just send the hi.
Hi. So I have sent.
Yeah, I got it. Give me a minute, sir. Just my network is not working, but I'm sorry. Give me a minute, sir. See, my network is not working. It's not opening my. Can you send me on the mail?
So yes. So what is your email ID?
Write down ALI.
2 minutes.
I'll send you with. Got it, beta? Check your WhatsApp.
So yes.
But it was wrong, beta. It's a 99919. I forgot to write the 9. It's 999 and 19. Okay.
Sir, okay.
Yes, Kamaljeet beta.
सर आप ऐसे बताना अपनी आईडी ईमेल आईडी.
ALI
यस सर.
SIDDI QUI@cis10.com. Okay.
Nine 9897. 9897. So have you received?
Just I'm checking beta. Give me a minute. Yeah, Kamran, I got it. How many minutes do you want to explain this one?
So 10 or 10 minutes only.
Okay. Because we have only the 10 minutes. Your team beta?
Sir?
Who is in your team?
Sir, Sir Sunana Dogra and Arshleen Saini.
Okay, okay. See the presentation, mind-blowing presentation. Very nice presentation. Yeah, start it. Just introduce yourself and your team.
First of all, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Karman Garaya, and I, with my team members Sunana Dogra and Ashleen Saini, have prepared a presentation on the topic objectives of business. And we have prepared in such a manner that I will be naming the headings, and Ashleen will lead the economic objectives, and Sunana will lead social objectives.
Yes, who is the next?
So please share it on the screen.
Yeah, it's shared.
Sir, no, sir, it is previous only.
It's the second one, type of the objective.
Sir, I will on the split screen in my laptop, so I will manage.
Okay, okay, just go ahead.
Good afternoon to all of you. This is Ashleen, and here I am going to explain the types of objectives. There are two types of objectives
Wait.
of a business.
Everyone, Vaishali, can you see the type of objective on screen screen?
Sir, no.
What's in your screen?
The slide only.
Huh?
Alignment of risk is on my screen.
Okay, give me a minute. Let me check what happened.
Okay. Sir.
Sir, if you will allow me to share the screen, I can do that.
Now check it.
Now it's visible.
Now it's visible. Type of
Objectives.
yeah, and we have
Once again,
it's economic objective.
yes, economic objectives. Economic objectives of a business is divided into 4 parts: earning profits, creation of new customers, innovation, optimum utilization of resources. Firstly, I am going to explain the earning profit. All the business that are held in our surroundings are the main motive of the business is to earn profits. Basically, profit is the main source of the income and the source of finance of expanding the business. So it is one of the key factors which determine the all efficiency of the enterprise. And the second topic, that is, so please slide, creation of new customers. The growth of business also depends on the growth in its customer. It's general thing that if customers are more, then business is always a big deal, and business is more satisfying, and the life of the customer, and they try to satisfy the same. Now the third point, innovation. There is need to innovate the ideas and the materials that are holding in our business. So through new ideas, we can innovate new things in the market that are in more demand. So to do successfully, it has to develop the new products with multiple uses, etc. And the fourth point, optimum utilization of resources. Any business must to aim at optimum utilization of resources. As we all know that resources are limited, and our bonds are unlimited. So we have to use the resources in most efficient way as we can. So sir, this is all about my topic. Now I will give host to Sunana.
Okay, Sunana, raise your hand, beta. Yes, unmute yourself, beta.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sunana Dogra, and today we are going to discuss about the social objectives of the business. Before studying about the social objectives of the business, we should know what the business is. Business is something which deals with the exchange of goods and services, and in return, we get money. So there are 4 social factors, that is qualitative goods, fair trade practice, generation of economy, and welfare of the economy. Sir, can you please? The first point is qualitative goods. It is a business. In a business, we need a good which is having a proper quality. Every individual needs a safety, a pure object, a pure good, so that they can get the most valuable thing from that object. So in the business, the qualitative good is very important. So because we know that there are a lot of risks, the risk will increase if the quality of a good is not good. So the next point is the fair trade practice. This trade practice, the fair trade practice, it deals with that we should have a proper business. We should not do a black marketing. We should not have any kind of overcharging or holding something bad that can impact a great damage to our business. It can lead to loss, and because of that, the reputation of our business can also decrease. So can you go to the next slide? Next is generation of the employment. The business should not have any kind of discrimination inside that. The business is open for every kind of religion, every kind of person, no matter if that person is from upper caste, from lower caste, from which religion, no matter which creed he belongs to. The business is important for everyone because everyone wants to have their life and everyone wants to earn so that they can live their life happily. The next point is the welfare of the employment. The business should provide goods and good working condition for the employment. They should have to motivate the employees so that they can do better again and again, so that they can have so that the economy can get the good results, and also they can fulfill their potential as well as the potential of the economy. In the other words, we can say that it is not possible that the business can keep itself away from the society, because society is something which deals with the business, which need goods, which need services, and in exchange we need money. So that's all from That's all the presentation which is made by Karman, Ashleen, and Sunana. Hope you all like it. Thank you so much.
It's a very good, amazing beta, amazing. The same deal I'll give you. I'll give you 5 marks in the practical as well as I'll give you the chocolate. Okay, when the school,
Thank you so much, sir.
you will be entitled to get the chocolate from my side. So मैं भूल जाऊं तो मुझे याद दिला देना, आपको चॉकलेट भी मिलनी है, आपको 5 मार्क्स
Sir, first of all,
प्रैक्टिकल.
sir, I want to say, sir, although I love chocolates, but I want to say, give my chocolate to Karman because she is the main who has done all of it. She is the main leader
I'll
of all
give
of
you,
us.
this is your reward. You have to give to whom you want to give. ये आपको देना है, किसको देना है ये मुझे नहीं पता. आप सबका पार्टिसिपेशन अच्छा लगा. That is, और now next is Vardhan. Tomorrow is your turn. Make your team. You will be the head of that. You have to decide your team. Okay. Where is Vardhan? Can you say something? Yes, Vardhan.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow is your turn. Make your team, so you have to do that. Okay? And your
Sir,
presentation, pardon?
how should I make a team?
So who will make the team? They made themselves better. So you have the friends, so you should go for that.
No, sir. No, sir.
You don't have any friend in your class?
No, sir.
Why, beta?
I don't know this class. I'm new. I was in 11. I was in 10 F. I don't know any student of this class.
Okay, so I'll arrange some students for you. So I just write down the number, write the name. So they will help you. Okay, Vardhan. So Jaginder will help you. Ritik, write down the name. Ritik
Yes,
Verma.
sir.
Ritik Verma. Have you written it?
Not only Ritik Verma.
Ritik Verma, Harshvardhan.
Okay.
Joginder. Sukhjap. Sandeep. ओके आप 11th ई के ग्रुप में हैं बेटा, उसमें से आप नंबर निकालिए. मैनेज योरसेल्फ, मेक द सीडी, मेक द प्रिपरेशन पीपीटी एंड टुमारो यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट इट. ओके
Okay, sir.
ओके, लेट मी सी कि आप कितना बेहतर करते हो इन गर्ल्स से. लेट्स सी. ओके बेटा, गाइस थैंक यू, हेड्स ऑफ. अब इस पे हम कल भी डिस्कस करेंगे. इस जो मैंने शॉर्टकमिंग्स देखी हैं उस पे हम कल डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है बेटा? ओके बेटा, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.